In this video we're going to be drawing cube number 12. So we want to go up to the top here to the toolbar and select New. And we're going to be drawing a standard IPT part file, so select Standard IPT. And we want to draw a 2D sketch, so select Start 2D Sketch. And we're going to be drawing this on the XY plane, so select XY plane. We're going to begin by drawing a 5 by 5 by 5 cube, so select the rectangle command and move to the point of origin. Select your mouse button and drag up into the right, positive direction, and type in 5, tab 5, and enter. Next, we want to finish the sketch, and we want to extrude this 5 inches. So in the dialog box, type in 5 and OK. Next, we want to select the side of the cube that we're going to make the edit or design on. We're actually going to be doing this on 2 different sides, but we're going to begin on the front side. So on the front side of the cube, select it with your mouse button and select Create Sketch. Next, we're going to be using the point command to locate the center of a circle or hole that we're going to make eventually. So select the point command, and we want our point to live kind of almost right in the center of this cube here. So just click your mouse button to place the point command, and we want to dimension the point command so that we can put it in or make it live in a precise location. So from the point command, we want to click on our mouse button and drag down to the bottom of our cube. We want to type in a distance of 2.5. We're going to do the same thing, dimension from the point over to the left this time, and we want that to read 2.5. Next, we're going to use a new command. We're going to use the circle command. So up on your toolbar over here on the left-hand side, select the circle command. And we want to move down to that point that we created in the middle of the front side of the cube. And align your cursor with the point. You're going to select your mouse button and drag out. And we want to type in a diameter of 2. So type in 2 and enter. Next, we're going to select Finish Sketch, and we want to extrude this. Select Extrude, select the circle that you want to extrude, and we want it to go the other direction, so select Direction 2 in the dialog box, and select OK. Alright, next, we want to do the same exact thing on the right-hand side of the cube. So over here on the right-hand side of the cube, we want to select it with our mouse, and again select Create Sketch. Again, we want to select the point command and place the point somewhere here in the middle of the cube. We want to use our dimension tool to drive that point so it lives in the correct location on this side of the cube. So I'm going to dimension from the point down to the bottom of the cube. And again, we want it to read 2.5. And we're going to dimension from the point to the left-hand side of the cube. And we want to type in 2.5 and enter. Next, we're going to use that circle command. Select the circle command. And align your cursor with the point. Select your mouse button and drag out and type in 2 and enter. Next, we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to extrude this circle or hole that we're creating in the cube. So click on the circle that we made, and again we want it to go the other direction. We want it to go through the cube, so select Direction 2 and OK. And there is cube number 12.